Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance. First, let's get your account set up and verified securely. You'll learn to navigate the platform's intuitive interface, making your initial steps smooth and easy. We'll also cover the various methods available to fund your account, ensuring you can start trading without delay. This foundational knowledge is crucial for a successful start on Binance. Now that your account is ready, let's explore Binance's core features. You'll learn how to effortlessly buy and sell various cryptocurrencies, understanding the simple steps involved. We'll also dive into different trading options, such as spot and futures, giving you flexibility. Finally, discover how to manage your crypto portfolio effectively, keeping track of your assets with confidence. Ready to take your Binance experience to the next level? This segment focuses on advanced strategies. We'll show you how to utilize sophisticated order types, like limit and stop limit orders, for more precise trades. You'll also explore staking and other earning opportunities available on the platform. Plus, learn essential risk management techniques to protect your investments and trade smarter. Securing your assets on Binance is paramount. We'll guide you through enhancing your account security with crucial features like two-factor authentication. You'll also learn how to access Binance's comprehensive customer support whenever you need assistance, ensuring peace of mind. Remember, staying informed and secure is key to a positive trading journey. Also, for those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.